My name is Priya Susan Prasad, and I'm so happy that I got a chance to stand before you all to share my experience. When a person is born into this world, what awaits him or her cannot be judged then. As a person grows, his senses teaches him what the world is about. Very soon, the way he speaks, the way he or she presents themselves, the way they take opportunities, their creativity, that is what molds his future. And that is what we learned here. Our classes were really fun-filled and lively. Professor made us very comfortable, and his simple language often made us very embarrassed with our silly linguistic mistakes. As an individual and as a student, I am always enthusiastic on entering stages and performing. But I always wondered, is there something wrong with the way I perform? I mean, what do I do with my hands? Should I leave it like this, or should I put it at the back? What about, is this right? Is this wrong? Should I go for professional help, or am I fine? Dear parents, friends, and teachers, I'm not going to regret these 21 hours I spent over here. It not only straightened my speaking ability, but what all we have learned. We have learned how to manage our time, how to approach examinations, how to even basically say a hello to a person. Before I entered this course, and on the general, I saw there were people who couldn't even talk, or who couldn't even present themselves in a crowd of at least 10 people. But today, when I see my friends and when I see myself, I can talk to all of you with a lot of confidence, with a lot of pleasure, and a lot of enthusiasm. I'm sure that each and every one who has attended this course will show the difference. I'm not going to regret a single thing. The last 1 week of my vacation, that is today is the last day, and I've spent it straightening up my life, my habits, my manners, my time abilities, everything. I'm really going to miss this white-haired angel, C.F. Joseph, sir. And sir, thank you so much. You are such an awesome person. May God bless you. And to all the parents, all I have to say, we are going to make sure that you are not going to regret spending this money, and you're not going to regret this. You will see the difference very soon when we come out as successful human beings. Remember, friends, what we have learned. If it is to be, it is up to me. And let me continue that. Together with hard work and prayer, it shall be.